Some remote jobs in the USA now pay between $60,000 and over $180,000 per year. But this video is not for people who want easy money, fake promises, or zero responsibility. These jobs require focus, communication, and consistency. If that sounds fair to you, stay till the end. US companies are hiring remote workers for two main reasons. First, talent shortages inside the country. Second, remote work reduces cost and increases productivity. That is why many entry-level and beginner-friendly roles are now remote, well-paid, and open to international candidates. Today, I will break down two real remote jobs. Very different work styles, very different risk levels. Let's start with a stable, salary-based role. This job is called Live Chat Operator, offered by Alloy Software, a US-based IT company. What you actually do: you talk to customers only through chat. No phone calls. You answer questions, help with basic technical problems, and forward complex issues to senior teams. Most of your day is written communication. Who this job is good for: people who prefer structured work, good English writing skills, calm personality, beginners who want corporate experience, people who dislike rules and schedules, those who want fast money without learning systems. Pay structure: this is a fixed annual salary. The listed range goes from $118,000 to nearly $196,000 per year. No commission, no sales pressure, one skill that increases pay. Technical communication: if you understand basic IT systems and can explain them clearly, your value increases fast. Now let's switch to a high-growth, performance-based role. This is a remote recruiter model using the Nextgen global platform. How this job works: you help match candidates to real job openings. You do not interview. You do not manage companies. You upload candidates. The system and AI tools handle matching. Job 1 is stable and structured. This job is flexible and independent. You work alone. You choose your hours. Your income depends on results. Pay structure: there is no fixed salary. You earn $3,000 to $11,000 per successful hire. Some months may be zero. Some months can be very high. Why companies pay this much? Hiring is expensive and risky. If you deliver the right candidate, companies save time and money. That's why recruiters are paid well. Let's be honest about remote work. You may work US time zones. Your performance may be monitored. Written communication quality matters a lot. Common beginner mistakes: applying without understanding the role, ignoring written English quality, expecting income without skill building. Remote does not mean easy. It means responsibility without supervision. If you want to apply smart on your CV, highlight written communication, customer support, or coordination. Tools like chat software, ATS, CRM. Skill to start learning this week: professional written English, basic IT concepts or recruitment workflows. Where to search: LinkedIn jobs, Indeed, company career pages, remote-focused job boards. Do not rely on one platform. Comment your country below. I analyze remote job access country by country. Subscribe if you want real job breakdowns, not hype. In the next video, I'll cover remote jobs that pay well without customer interaction. See you there.